Pagmasdan ng ulan, unti-unting pumapatak sa mga halam at mga bulaklak. Pagmasdan ang dilim, unti-unting bumabalot sa buong paligid tuwing umuulan.
Kasabay ng ulan, bumubuhos ang iyong ganda. Kasabay rin ng hangin, kumakanta. Maribang wag ka nang sa piling ko'y lumisan pa, hanggang ang hangit ulay tumilan na.
Buhos na ulan, aking mundo'y lunuring tuluyan. Tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso kong nagliliyab.
Pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuba.
Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka,
Maribang huwag ka nang sa piling ko'y lumisan pa.
Ibig at ulan lamang ang saksi. Buhos na ulan, lurin ha, wag nang tumigil pa. Hatid mo may bagyo, dalangin ito ng puso kong sumasamo.
Pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan, kapiling
Ka.
Sino kaya ang makakapiling pa natin sa pagtatapos ng gabing ito? MJ and Daryl? Okay. Coach Leia.
Congratulations first to the both of you. Dahil sa... Ito medyo mahirap kasi it was different stages. Alam kong kailangan, yung chords ng areglo, kailangan din yung ma-match sa gitara din nyo. And then after that, it's also your singing. So, thank you for working really, really, really hard. Both of you, I mean, the tone of your voices it was good. Ibang karakter ng boses ninyong dalawa eh. But MJ lang, there were points when you were over-singing, when you were over-ad-libbing, when you were trying so hard. Hindi naman kailangan yun eh, kasi ang ganda na ng kanta. It's a thing where there's a little bit of landi dun sa huli. And it became too much for me. But it's a matter of personal preference. It's not hindi to reflection sa talent mo because you're talented. That's not it. You know, and for Daryl, all throughout this week, you were like, my guitar, it really sings at 432. It's a frequency at which you normally tune an instrument. And both of us were like, but sorry, the rest of the world is at 440, which it tunes a little higher. So, but I have to say this, you were able to tune your entire body as well as your guitar to 440, which is amazing. And you were able to adjust and, you know, and parang nasasanay na yung katawan nyo dun sa mas mataas na pag-tune. I'm not going to prolong the agony any longer. Daryl Shai, this is yours.
Sa pananatili ni Daryl Shai, magpapaalam naman tayo kay MJ. Maraming salamat, MJ, sa pagbahagi mo ng iyong boses dito sa The Voice of the Philippines. Daryl, congratulations. MJ, thank you very much.